Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to close a Shopify store. So first you have to log into your Shopify, make sure that this is your Shopify account. Now you have to scroll down here and look for settings or this gear icon, settings. And then here on settings, what you're going to do is you have to look for the plan option on the left side, tap this one. Now if you are using or currently using a plan, then you should see the activate trial. So as you can see, I am currently on a trial period, so I had to tap on cancel. But if you are a plan, then it's the same thing. You just have to tap close or remove. Now this time you have to read the following instruction right here. And once you are okay and want to proceed to closing your store, so you have to tap this. I have reviewed the information, tap continue. Now, what is the main reason why you're closing the store? You can tap this one right here and then select the specific reason why you want to close your Shopify store. So basically, after you have selected one, then what you're going to do here is tap on continue. This one is optional. You can add more information why you want to close. And then here it is. So you're now about to close your Shopify store. If you're using a plan, then you can tap on the activate trial or the activate plan. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will be notified that you have deactivated the plan or closed your store. And that's how easy it is to close a Shopify store. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.